Feeding practices in shrimp farms play a crucial role in the growth, health, and overall success of shrimp culture. Here are some key aspects of shrimp feeding in farms. Formulated feeds. Commercially formulated feeds are commonly used in shrimp farms. These feeds are designed to provide balanced nutrition and promote efficient growth. They typically contain a combination of protein sources, such as fish meal, soybean meal, or plant protein concentrates, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Formulated feeds come in different sizes or formulations, depending on the shrimp's life stage: larva, post-larva, juvenile, or adult. Feeding frequency. Shrimp are typically fed multiple times a day, with feedings spread throughout the day to prevent overfeeding and ensure optimal nutrient absorption. The frequency and amount of feed depend on factors such as shrimp size, growth rate, water temperature, and feeding behavior. In intensive systems, automatic feeders may be used to deliver precise and controlled feed amounts at regular intervals. Feeding rates and conversion. Feeding rates are determined based on the shrimp's biomass, size, and growth stage. Guidelines provided by feed manufacturers, industry experts, or scientific research are often followed. The goal is to achieve an appropriate feed conversion ratio, FCR, which is the amount of feed required to produce a unit of shrimp biomass. A low FCR indicates efficient feed utilization. Supplementary feeding. In addition to formulated feeds, supplementary feeding with natural food organisms can be practiced in shrimp farms. This includes providing live or frozen organisms such as artemia, brine shrimp, copepods, or other zooplankton to enhance the shrimp's diet. These natural food sources can contribute to a more diverse and balanced nutritional profile. Feeding management. Several factors are considered in feeding management to optimize shrimp growth and health. Water quality. Good water quality is crucial for shrimp growth and feed utilization. Proper monitoring and maintenance of water parameters like temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen levels, and pH are important for optimal feeding efficiency. Feed distribution. Uniform and widespread distribution of feed in the culture system is essential to ensure that all shrimp have access to food. This may involve using feed trays, feed dispensers, or aeration to disperse the feed evenly. Feed monitoring. Regular monitoring of feed consumption and shrimp behavior during feeding can help assess feeding effectiveness and adjust feeding rates accordingly. Uneaten feed should be minimized to prevent water quality deterioration. Feed quality. Ensuring the quality and freshness of feeds is essential. Proper storage and handling practices are followed to maintain feed integrity, prevent spoilage, and minimize the risk of contamination. Sustainable feeding practices. Sustainable shrimp farming aims to minimize environmental impacts. Strategies to achieve this include nutrient management. Avoiding overfeeding and carefully monitoring feed inputs help prevent excess nutrients from entering the water and causing environmental issues like eutrophication. Feed formulation. Feed manufacturers strive to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly feeds by reducing dependence on fish meal and incorporating alternative protein sources derived from plants, insects, or microbial sources. Feed conversion. Efficient feed conversion and reducing feed wastage contribute to sustainable shrimp culture. Careful monitoring and adjustment of feeding rates help optimize feed utilization and minimize excess feed. Feeding practices in shrimp farms are continuously evolving, driven by research, technological advancements, and sustainability goals. It's important for shrimp farmers to stay informed about the latest developments and guidelines to ensure the health and productivity of their shrimp stocks.